Hi, felting fans, it's Jules, and today we're going to learn how to make a tiny collar for our needle felted pets. I'm Jules, and I created this channel just to have a place to share my needle felting journey. I've been needle felting for not very long, and I thought it would be fun to start a channel where I could share my experiences with you. So if you have comments or feedback, I would really love to hear from you. So this is the toy fox terrier that we made in the ear episode, and today I've made a tiny little collar for her. If you'd like to make your own tiny collar for your needle felted critters, stay tuned. Start with your 20 gauge wire. This is what I use for all my animal critters, so I always have a bunch. Cut off maybe 2 inches and use your needle nose pliers to make basically a tiny paper clip. Kind of like this. See how it looks like a little belt buckle? Okay. You want to figure out how much leather are we going to need. So wrap it around and we're going to do twice the amount. That's about right. Then we'll just take our wire cutters and cut that. You need to take this little tongue thing, pull it up a little bit like this. Put the leather through. Pull about maybe half of an inch through and make a little hole here with your awl. And then thread it through the little hole. There we go. Like this. Then you're going to want to take some glue, put glue right at the base. So there's a little bit sticking out there on the side, and then I just fold it over like this. So I have a straight part here, and then a curved part. See, like that? Like a little D. Then I take the wire cutters and I cut off the excess. So it is in fact a little D. Like this. Pick out a charm. Put the charm on your D-ring. Like that. Close that back up. Then, with the flat end, put it through your leather strap. All the way to where you glued the buckle, and glue that down. Now you want to get your dog and figure out approximately where your hole should be. And then when you put it through, you're going to want to leave enough so that it can come out the other, through the D-ring and out this side. Because this leather is finished on one side and unfinished on the other side, usually I have to push this piece of the belt buckle through like this. See that? That's helpful. So that when I have this around, it's easy to get it through the hole. Okay, that seems good. I want it to go through and be maybe that much longer. So I'm going to take the wire cutters, cut the end like this so that it looks like a dog collar. Like that. How cute. And then I'm going to take the brown Sharpie and add the stitching. And then I usually don't go all the way to the end. We have to decide which side we want, the little paw or the I heart my dog. I think I like that one, so I'll put it this way, like this. And I'll link all of this stuff in the description box, so check that out. Put it through, thread this end through the D-ring again. Sometimes the hardest part. That's a little bit long, I think. Then a lot of times what I'll do is take this. There we go. And then tighten it a little bit. There we go. How cute is that? I might cut this end again. Or just glue it. You could glue it over here, but I think it would be better if I cut it. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. If you'd like to know where I got any of the things that I used, please check the description box and I will have links in there for you. Again, I would love any comments or feedback, and please subscribe, and thank you for being here.